Hi, we would like to present Data Structure and Algorithm Group Project. Our group project title is Library Management System. Hi, my name is Shalini.
Hi, my name is NURAIN binti Ahmad KAMAR.
Hi, my name is Siti NURSUHAIBAH with KHALIS.
Hi, my name is ZULAIKHA binti SAARI. There are some contents in this project like introduction, task division, function input, data struct method, demo of output, and the last one is conclusion. For introduction, the library management system is designed to help librarians and students to maintain and organize the library. The purpose or main objective of the library management system is for organize and managing the library tasks. As we know, the library is a place where all kinds of books are available. This system is a C++ program and only a registered librarian can access the system. This is very difficult to organize manually. Maintenance of all this information manually is a very complex task. Owing to the advancement of technology, organization of an online library become much simple. This program is based on queue-linked list completely. The online library management has been designed to computerize and automate the operation performed over the information about the books. The library management system is developed to automate the task of entering the records of the new book, delete a book, retrieve the details of the book available in the library, search books, and more. The computerization of library very useful and has many advantages. This computerization helps in many instances of its maintenance. It reduces the workload of management of the most of the manual work done is reduced. The system contains lists of the books. Using this system, librarians also can maintain their records and can check how many books are stored and how many books are available in the library.
Next, the system provides separate interface and login for librarian and students. Only librarian can modify the database. Using this system, students can search book easily. In order that, in our system, we include book list according to the faculty. Students can search book according to each faculty. For librarian, they can add new books through this system. The library management system mainly focuses on basic operation in a library like add new books, delete a books from list, search a book according to the faculty, update or edit a book detail, and also display all the books that are available in the library. Library management system is a project which aims in developing a computerized system to maintain all the daily work of library. The library management system is a system which maintains the information about the books present in the library, their other published publication, book ID, and so on. The project has many features which are generally not available in normal library management system like facility of librarian login. Overall, this project of ours is being developed to help the students as well as staff of library to maintain the library in the best way possible and also reduce the human effort. With this computerized system, there will be no loss or of book record which generally happen when a non-computerized. All they able to help librarian to manage the library with more convenience and in a more efficient way compared to library systems which are not computerized.
Next is task division. Everyone has their own task. For SHALINI, book displayed by faculty using search and use template class for get the login value. For NURSUHAIBAH, searching search and update for a book and use template class for get the login value. For ZULAIKHA, auto add for books details and main.cpp class object. And for me, NURAIN, sorting use insertion We are sorting for sort the remaining book numbers and main.cpp class object.
Next, in this code, we use some function like update function, delete function, student display, sort, add, auto add, search, display, and empty.
Next is data structure method. We use queuing list because a queue is an abstract data structure that contains a collection of elements. The queue, which is implemented using a linked list, can work for an unlimited number of values. That means you using linked list can work for the variable size of data. No need to fix the size at the beginning of the implementation. The queue implemented using linked list can organize as many data values as we want.
Demo of the outputs.
Welcome to Library Management System. There is a two user for this library management system. First is student, second is librarian. If we choose student means there is three options to do things. First is view book list, second is search for a book, and third is return to main menu. Student can search book by two ways. One is by faculty, second one is all. There is 4 faculty in this library management system. If student choose first means the first faculty will display all the books that stored in that. Same goes to option 2, 3 and 4. Second is all. Student can view all the book list by that. Second is search for a book. Student can view all the available book lists at tab. Student can type the book that they need. If the book is already stored in the system, the book details will be appeared. If the book that student entered not in that list means there is no book details will be displayed by the system. Third option is return to main menu. Student can return to the main page of the system. Second option is librarian. For librarian, there is a username and password for them. Username is librarian, password is 1, 2 and 3. After librarian enter their page, there is 6 options. If the librarian entered option number 1 at a book, then some of the book details librarian want to insert in that. Details that librarian want to insert is book name, book author name, book publication, book ID, and also how many copies of the books that want to store in the library system. Then it will show the current number of records that stored in the library system, and it will show the data entered successfully. Librarian also can check whether the data is entered successfully or not in the student page. Now we can see that the book the librarian entered already in the available book list. For the more information, we can search the book name at there. The details will be appeared. Next is delete a book. Librarian can delete a book by entering the book name at there. For an example, we choose a book to delete from the available book list. Applied Science. We can enter the book name at there and we can delete that book from the available book list as well. Next is update book. Librarian can view all the book name at them. Then librarian can choose one book to update the book details. For an example, we choose Engineering Mathematics 1. After we enter the book name, the book details that already stored by the librarian will appear automatically. Then there is a list that we want to choose one option to update the book details. We choose option number 5. Then we can enter the current amount of remaining copies of the books. Now the remaining copies of the book change to 4 to 3. We can cross-check the latest update by return to the main menu and select student and choose search for a book. And we can see that the details were changed. The details were changed as we put the remaining copies changed to 4 to 3. Next, option number 4 is view sorted list of books. We can see that the remaining copies are arranged according to ascending order. And we can see that the ascending order is 2 to 5, 5 to and 7. Option number 5 is view books. Librarian can view all the books that stored in the system. And the last option for librarian is return to the main menu. If the librarian enter the wrong username or password, the system cannot be opened for the librarian. It will show the wrong input.
Conclusion. Overall, this project of ours is being developed to help the students as well as staff of library to maintain the library in the best way possible and also reduce the human efforts. With this computerized system, there will be no loss of book record which generally happens when a non-computerized. All this able to help librarian to manage the library with more convenience and in a more efficient way as compared to library system which are not computerized.